guys, welcome to another episode of ReCast Fishing in SoCal, and today is a Super Bowl Sunday and we are out on the water like usual. And today we're going to be doing a challenge with deep diving crankbaits versus trout trolling lures, troll with in freshwater. It's going to be the Patriots versus the Eagles, and we'll like to see if the deep diving cranks and the needlefish, which one are better, just like the Patriots and the Eagles. So Greg,
we're going to keep things score. 3 points for bass, every bass we catch on the lures, and then 7 points for halibut, basically a touchdown if we catch one on any one of the lures. So the Patriots are the deep divers, needlefish are the underdogs, the Eagles.
Yep.
Let's see.
Yes, so I'm gonna use the deep divers. So I'm gonna be the Patriots today, and Greg is gonna be the underdog. He's gonna be the Eagles. So we'll see who's gonna win the Super Bowl today. So if you're watching the Super Bowl or if you're watching us, let's see who's gonna win the ultimate challenge, the Super Bowl troll. Let's go, let's do it.
All right, so today I brought couple deep divers I bought at Bass Pro. This is a JSR 7, dives around 7 feet. It's a jointed deep diving crank from Rapala. It's a Fire Tiger. At the seminar they're saying Fire Tigers do really good in the harbor, and I know that actually from experience. And this is a TD9 Rapala also. I couldn't find one from Lucky Craft at the moment, so I'm actually using a Rapala version. And this one actually goes 20 feet. Right now they're suspended, so I may not use this one right now, but when we get to the right depth I might use this one too. And this is the Stacy that I used last time, the red hook. This one's a really good Lucky Craft lure. I might use this one maybe soon. I actually put a little red around the gill because it was really plain and simple, but this little red color gill may do the trick today. I'm trying this out to see if that little customization to a lure may work, because I've seen other videos on YouTube and people on FNN customizing their Lucky Craft and making a little bit more better progress. So I'm going to try this and see how it goes. So let's try Fire Tiger, customizing Lucky Craft, see how fishing is going to change. All right, let's give it a shot. It's out here, feeling the bottom. Watch my pole really carefully. You can see the little bumps because it's hitting the bottom. The only thing is I have to be careful with all these eelgrass. Oh, I just felt a hit on my pole. Oh, there's stuff on the bottom here for sure. I don't know if those were hits or it could be the little dips on the ground, huh? Yeah, I think it's dips on the ground. If it's a halibut or any bass or anything that's hitting it, it's gonna take it. These are a couple pretty sharp hooks on here. And deep diver is on fish.
Oh, touchdown.
Uh-oh. Is it? Oh yeah, it's touchdown. Oh, it's a touchdown on the Lucky Craft deep diver on the red again, just like last week.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Like we all know it. Remember to change your color on your lure. Really nice. Small, but hey, it's a touchdown for the Patriots. Woo! Let's let this guy go. So that's one for the deep diver. Oh, this guy got my finger. Yeah, don't put your hand inside the halibut now. Let's really not a good. Ow! Even the small ones hurt. God damn.
Oh yeah. No, you get me. I was like, oh, they opened a mouth for me.
Ow. Yeah, halibut, even small ones hurt. That's how you could definitely tell it's not, if it's a sole or a halibut or. Oh dang, that thing has like razor. Oh dang, you could tell it's like bleeding. Holy cow. Yeah. So you could tell it's a halibut. They have razor sharp teeth. One for the Patriots. There you go. Woo!
Probably the same one I got last week.
Yeah.
Or 2 weeks ago.
Lucky Trout. Red hook. Very nice. Good job. Try it again. Fish on eagle. What is it? What is it? What is it? Jack smelt. What is this?
Jack smelt.
Jack smelt. So how many points?
2.
2 points. Safety.
Not a bass. Not a.
Drake's now down by 5. With the safety, that was the trout lure.
Needlefish.
What color would you call that? That's like a.
I forget what color this is called. Wait, does it say? No.
No.
It's a needlefish number 2.
Number 2?
It's the bigger ones.
Oh, those bigger ones.
Yeah.
Well, if you remember the color, please tell us on the comment below. It's like a white, pink, and polka dot looking like color. I keep forgetting the color on this.
Yeah.
All right, let's try again.
Look what I just caught.
Oh, nice, nice fish.
There you go. He swallowed it.
He swallowed that thing. He's gonna take it home. That bad boy right there.
For the win.
For the win. For the win, boys. Bam.
About 15 feet of water.
15 feet of water. Looks like the trout lure is on the lead now. It's a good. What the heck is that? Ooh, clams. Nice. Maybe give that back to him. Here, you can have it back. There you go, buddy. Have a good day. It's a real thin sand bass. Nice.
Yep. Let's see if Touchdown Tommy can come back.
Touchdown Tommy. I'll be
One
back.
last troll. Back in.
I'll be back. Okay, so now I have a deep diver out there. I got a halibut, but Greg got the numbers, and he's up by numbers with points. I'm only down just with 1 point. To win this Super Bowl, I must get at least one more fish. Unless he comes up with another fish and beat me. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. We'll see. All right, let's give this a last shot right now. Let's do it. Come on. Last troll. Sun's already coming down. Looks.
It is 4:07 p.m.
4:07. Coming down pretty late. The real Super Bowl has already started.
And let's see.
See what the score is so far. What's the score?
9-3.
9-3 Eagles. Oh my God! It's just like how we're doing it right now. Is the Eagles gonna take it all the way? Oh dang! Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh man, huge accident. Greg loses whatever it was, breaks the lead core. Oh no.
I put down there. Let's get
This one? This one?
that one. No, that one. Throw that one in. See what you get something.
All right. Now it's time. Last troll.
Definitely on a cheap because you got swim bait and a deep diver.
Swim bait and the deep diver. The Patriots are now cheating. Because now the Eagles officially cannot score. Because lost their only weapon is now gone. The Patriots are taking advantage.
He only has until we get to that.
All the way up to that point. If I could get one fish, I will win.
And we are in 11 feet of water. Going 9 miles, 0.9, almost a mile an hour. Trolling.
It's coming close. It's really close. Am I gonna win? Am I gonna make it? The fish is on! Fish is on!
Oh, nice one.
Oh! Dang it!
Dang.
Dang it! No! Freaking A! No! Damn it! Get it back out there! Get it back out there!
A feet of water. That was a hit,
That was
too.
a hit. A good one too.
That ball was going.
I don't know how that thing got lost.
I think it got tangled up on the. When I tried to get it out, it got tangled up on the. And then we kind of slacked off.
Dang.
Touchdown, Tommy almost had it.
Ah, they're right there. We're just right there.
12 feet of water. There's fish down there. Looks like I won.
Oh. Alright guys, that was a real fun game. I think we all know who the winner is for this Super Bowl. Damn, that was close game. Close game. Real close. I think the trout lure was real unexpected. The underdogs came up at the end, but man, like you know it was a close game. Dang. I almost had him, but you know what? You know, cheaters never prosper, never wins at the end. You know, they're looking past it and past. But it was good. Good game, man. Good game. Good game. But you know what? If you guys like this video, you know, give me that big thumbs up. And hey, if you haven't tried it, try trout lures in the harbor, because it looks like it actually works. Yes. And deep divers work as well. Same thing, red hooks and finding that depth that the fish are in, and looking at the current and the tide. Read it. Slack tide, don't fish. Relax. Incoming and outgoing tides. See you guys again on another episode of ReCast
Fishing in SoCal.